going to
Tallinn, Estonia.
Tallinn, Estonia.
Via Munich.
In Tallinn. It's nice.
So we got our luggage. There's no immigration because we flew from EU to EU. And picked up a SIM card here. Elisa.
Yeah.
Chung's installing it now. It was €5. And it's a physical SIM, not an eSIM, so it should be often quite cheaper. We'll see when we find out.
So we buy this SIM card. It's €5, 5 GB, 500 minutes talking and 50 SMS. And it's already activated. We are calling Uber or Bolt right now. Our Airbnb check-in time is 3 o'clock and I got my double hot dog, chicken and cheese here on here, and then we are waiting for our time to go and check in. So we take a boat here. We arrived in Estonia right now after 2 flights from Romania to Munich, Munich to Tallinn here, Estonia, and this is our Airbnb. And you came in, and this is our like a walkway. You can change your shoe here, very nice. And you see there is Dan over there, very nice. It have a place that we both can sit down and walking in here. And we are facing a beautiful view here. It's beautiful.
Lots of light.
Yeah, I love light. I like it. Have TV and it have heater and also sofa. This bed here and this is a storeroom. You don't need to see storeroom. Very nice. And it have separate kitchen room, which is nice. We can eat here. We can cook here. Let's see what they have inside. Oh, we have a coffee maker, pot and pans. This one, yeah, there's pot and pans, kitchen. Wow, there's a fridge. Very nice. And right in front that is the public transportation tram. And wow, a lot. Oh, now I let you see. Now you see that public transportation will take us to the old town, just like 5 minutes. It's very nice. A lot of room here and light. And there's our bed. The next one I want to show you is toilet. It is our toilet room. Oh, wow. At the first time I see this is washing machine. Just wider than my hand here. It seems like that what we have in Romania also in our Airbnb. Wow, it's cool. I like it. A lot of room.
There's a tub in there. You can take a bath if you want.
Yeah, but weather right now is beautiful. Yeah. Right.
It's like 78 degrees.
Yeah.
Sunny.
Yeah, the Airbnb hosts have a lot of sugar for us. I call sugar, some call candy, what you call that. And then say it is very, very delicious. He already got 2 or 3 sugar. Your teeth will be fall off if you eat too much.
It's good, it's delicious.
I think I like this price. The price here also is not too bad, you know. It's about 27.5 per night.
Yeah.
Without the Airbnb fee, yes.
So that's a 1 week discount.
That's 1 week discount. So you need to nego with the owner if you want to stay here longer.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's time. Oh, by the way, the sunset is 10 o'clock in the night.
Yeah. We're very far north, so.
So we're gonna rest a little bit and go out to have a food and go to attack some supermarket. Time
to go shopping. We're gonna take it easy on this shopping excursion. Just get some stuff to make some pasta tonight. I think she said we need garlic and tomato. There's the tomato. And there is the tomato. I don't see garlic. Probably here somewhere. Looking at fish eggs. Yeah?
Vegetable, tomato. Why is this tomato different? They have the number 9. Number 9. Okay. Tomato. Perfect. It's nice. They have a writing over there. We bought this snack from our supermarket next to us, about 200 meters away, and I would like to try all of this. It looks so cute. It's like 50 cents euro for each, but yogurt is more. And this is my favorite cake here. I don't know why it's a cake here, but it's very delicious. It's about €2.29. And we also got some cheese, and then I'll start drinking the soya milk and my cranberry juice.